Fighter jets have come a long way since the early days of aerial combat. Today's modern fighters are faster, more maneuverable, and more deadly than ever before. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. First up is the F-22 Raptor, the most advanced fighter jet currently in service with the United States Air Force. This stealth fighter is designed to operate deep in enemy airspace, undetected by radar. Its advanced avionics, combined with its speed and maneuverability, make it nearly unbeatable in aerial combat. Next, we have the Eurofighter Typhoon, a multi-role fighter developed by a consortium of European countries. The Typhoon is capable of both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, and is widely considered one of the most versatile fighters in the world. The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's latest fifth-generation fighter. It features advanced avionics and weapon systems, as well as stealth technology that makes it harder to detect on radar. The Su-57 is designed to be a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat, but also has the ability to strike ground targets with precision. Finally, we have the Chengdu J-20, China's newest fifth-generation fighter. The J-20 is designed to be a stealthy, multi-role fighter capable of both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Its advanced sensors and avionics give it an edge in combat, and it has been compared to the F-22 Raptor in terms of its capabilities. These are just a few of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. While each one has its own unique strengths and weaknesses, they all represent the cutting edge of aerial technology. As we continue to develop more advanced fighters, we can only imagine what the future of aerial combat will look like. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.